our beautiful earth. We live on the earth. We share the earth with animals and plants. The earth is round in shape. It has air, water, and land. More than half the earth is covered with water. We need water to drink. We live on land. We grow food on land. There are many types of land. Flat land is called a plain. People live and grow crops on the plains. Many rivers flow through the plains. At some places, the land is high. This type of land is called a hill. In summer, it is hot in the plains. The hills remain cool. Very high hills are called mountains. Some mountains are covered with snow. It is very cold on a mountain. The land between two hills or mountains is called a valley. Very often, a river or a stream flows through a valley. A hill with a flat top is called a plateau. A plateau is higher than the area around it.